Hello everyone, hope you're well. It's me and Matthew, the dream team now. And yeah, what have we got today? Well, we've got 19 cleans all to do. They're all in one place, which is Whizbeats. And it's a foggy day, so the weather this week I think is totally different to the last 2 weeks where we've been a bit spoilt. So the buffalo no doubt is going to stay on. Pretty sure we're going to have a good day and get this done. But with Whizbeats, the problem we have is if I run out of water, it means I've got to drive home to fill up and drive back to Whizbeats to carry on. And that normally costs me up to about an hour, to be honest. But I think me and Matthew will be able to get through with all the water I've got. So I've got a 500 litre tank and we carry spare water in barrels that we can also use with the trolley if we need it. So follow along. Will we do it without having to fill up? Who knows? Day for you all. It's now 12:15. Me and Matthew have stopped. We've had something to eat. In this road where we're cleaning, we've got 2 more left to do, and it's this road done. In total, we've got 8 cleans left, including the ones I just talked about for the rest of the day, and we've managed to get 11 done. So hopefully all should be good. Weather, the fog is gone, the sun's come out, the buffalo is off, so happy days. But a couple of funny windows to do. You probably see I've got some footage. One of them, I'm reaching over a conservatory roof to get to the window, and to help me do that, I'm standing on my step ladder. It's a nice big step ladder as well. And then there's another window you're seeing at the bottom of a house where the car's parked really tight to it. So I'm having to use my big pole lucky enough, just extend some funny angles. If I can get to it, no problem. Job done. The only problem is the rear end of my pole, the hose, keeps catching on the neighbour's fence. So that's just something to live with. Got it done anyway. Let's see how the rest of the day goes. Right, that's us done, all done and dusted, back at home. We finished the last clean at 3:15. We did an extra clean today as well. a neighbour of someone we cleaned comes out now and then and asks can we clean him, and as I got all the kit out I say yeah and just do it. It happens more often during the summer and it doesn't happen at all during the winter. So I've just said to Matthew, remember that guy might come out, and then he did. So we got that in. That's a bit of an extra boost in it. And then on the way home, Teresa rang me up to say, can I do a quote? So we've done a quote locally, Whizbeats St Mary. We've got him in the bag as well. So we're going to fit him in the round. So yeah, all's good. And as you can tell, the sun's come out. The buffalo did end up coming off. It was quite a warm day. We've got through the work all right. Didn't have to come home to fill up with water. We've emptied 4 out of the 8 barrels into the tank to get us through the rest of the day as well. So yeah, all's good. And finished early, so I'm up for that. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all the good stuff. It helps me out. And YouTube stick a video up here for you somewhere to watch next. So see you on the next one. Stay safe.